And me be sustained. Where you ujina so and into who will make you full out of this.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is if you love somebody, you don't stress them. Because right now you could see say although Bonnie have been stressed. I'm not for stress, because they have people supporting mommy. Because when they insult that is coming.
No.
If you love somebody, you don't stress.
Lady, although Brony is not stress. There's a different stress and there's a different disgrace. If Odobroni is stressing her or stressing because we're losing a loved one, somebody that she loves so much, and Ekosia Sewa has been disgraced, and her name has brought into mud because of say Ekosia Sewa now or did that Odobroni call court, she could not prove her marriage certificate. Lady, are you a wedded wife?
Yes.
We are wedded wife, right?
Yes.
What is the title of the marriage certificate? Make it out. Utumi I kita no. It is saying a dientina ukoya wedding, and I said power woman saying I am to bet me used to.
Never remember.
Yeah.
What I know is that I have authority.
Authority for who?
As a wedded wife, I have authority and I know the in-depth of everything that my husband does.
Okay, the authority, if you don't know her, enipa bebre mukuta marriage certificate, but some of you guys don't know the power of the marriage certificate. Let me educate you here. Marriage certificate, hold on. The marriage certificate that you have, it gives you permission. Say ukunu, he cannot marry another woman except you. Obeti miya kwa trempana, but onti many wo baby anko wareda for the rest of his life. Uwo two law a protect and a protect bear man also. Se ukunu kotre empana, you can take him to court. Would charge bebono as a adultery. Se wa kotre empana, drama in boni, court no be dietiano. Usan wo bigamy ewo ho, no so ukunu kotre empana, na woko ware ne sa ne mana, ubeti wesiko, ubeti owaha, ubeti mediatia ukunu. Sa niema we nyina ye the power. A man bebre modwin said the power that I have ne say me kunu wu a na japade ye me dia and am a wedded wife won't me wale bi nkame ho. And also remember say the marriage certificate alone doesn't give you the qualification as a wife. Holding a marriage certificate comes with responsibilities. Marriage certificate ne ekita wona no ebetimi akura so na waware agu because wuja aware ne hokotena kuro bi so for a certain years ukuta tondro wa nekita. There's no power in it. Even if mami akosua se wana or de press la court no empo no se menka wo marriage certificate there's a lower ebema na ware no enya ware for abandonment wa abandon na ware e de ato ho. Enti mamu nyama dwen se me wo daddy lumba won fully wodobroni o. Odobroni woni makosua se wa won ti ni din kurada. One teen din. Odobroni ne daddy lumba wo no. Endum bia daddy lumba boy your boy mama akosua se wedding won bia no. O change free mu. Odobroni wan hia mama akosua se wada. Hia wo hia ne ane lumba wu ya obaye. Lumba ekoye odobroni hu ade no. Ye papa friend is saying iti akono num nyina wo hobi. E na lawyer yi. Omu nyina wo hobi. Odobroni papa ene ne mama bisa lumba o wo yire. O kan 4 times. Catch am so ne yire. Okan 4 times. Daddy lumba ye odobroni hu ade ansa wone na ewo. Hello. Inti daddy lumba won fully obia. Na mom rather na eye mama akosua se wa mom ene wa fully ne self. Se be ma mpe no. Na watena se ya na mama akosua se wa wo power say. Ko daddy lumba wu ye no obetwen. Na nkombe ye na yie na wie. Na nkombe cha property. Omo cha properties no. Na se the office woni daddy lumba ye. Anko ni din mu no ana wanya no. Then she can go to court and contest about the will. But one court to be rather no or court to say ye legally ye or money legally right to say no ye only surviving spouse. She can never be a only surviving spouse. whereby ya wariano, she could not provide a marriage certificate. She could not provide a video. She could not provide any awariana diabiano. She could not provide it. Marriage certificate authentication. She couldn't provide. We need a marriage video, ceremony videos. She couldn't provide it. So a dear na judge ni bejina so. A dear man say legally no, you were the only surviving spouse. Now it's late. She can never and never in the history of the law say oh you only surviving spouse because Odobroni has proved a beyond say she was also married to Daddy Lumba. Daddy Lumba ware no. Wonene na atsena, wono na wahwe no for the past 16, 17, 18 years there. Those who want to know Ebra Lumba ni Odobroni try no. Munko nkotie empempem dom empempem time. Daddy Lumba de na sew Odobroni maame, wo de Odobroni nana ebonyom, o de na konta bonyom 2000 sanyom no enya 18 years. Ena Daddy Lumba se wo twere anyom e take 3 years and se wo de sanyom na ba bonten. Ti so de Odobroni dum didin abonjum 18 years ago dia. Me pa chaw maame akosia se wa ni Odobro Daddy Lumba. Efie na no ni Daddy Lumba tima na Daddy Lumba ni studio ho no. Daddy Lumba se studio ho na de bo atankwan e de ma Odobroni. Atankwan nwom no e Odobroni. Inti meka say may create enemies to ourselves because very soon the truth will come out. Said dia enseme wa bontin bebre yetro e bi ti say studio. Omo se maame akosia se wa na bi ye the studio was a lie. Maame akosia se wa won bi a studio bi amfa ma Daddy Lumba. Eye Gina brother ye friend Kwame ono bi a studio no e de ma eye Daddy Lumba. Omo se Lumba Daddy Lumba maame akosia se wa na ye nkrata ma no. It was a lie. Eye through Georgina ne ba ye friend darling ho e na Daddy Lumba di nya nkrata. Daddy Lumba data maame akosia se wa kase woni Daddy Lumba ware ye. Any data Daddy Lumba di nya nkrata o de ye ni German citizen no. Kura che se nzema maame ne beka nyina no. It is a lie. Lady, who will be Kabio? Inti lady, say what worry na wini wukrunetia. Mesre say, do not put your trust and your hope on everything that you have is about only marriage certificate. Marriage certificate is nothing. Marriage comes with responsibility. It comes with responsibility. Sisi a mimi tuwe, say me koko to say me kuna koko ba wo mechi. Inti me koko ta. Me nkoka say me ring ni. Me nkoka say ye worry a video ni. Me nkoka say ye worry a pictures ni o. I have to prove the only thing that I major wa worry anymore a marriage certificate. So if I could not prove a marriage certificate, there's no way a judge and videos and pictures and grant me say me only surviving a wife. It can never be possible. And also we should always remember the responsibility that comes with yes, I do. No? We have to also go about that. Thank you.
Yeah, because an American say me, I'm not on any side, but
it's okay. We do understand you. Oh yeah, wedded wife until we fear and say Daddy Lumba and ukru. You, some of you guys are thinking about your marriage. Some of you guys are fighting your own battle. Lady, Odobroni is not in a term of anybody. She's not fighting a Kosia Sewa. Odobroni was a plaintiff. And now we are defendant. If you are a defendant and you take somebody or who you obi, now we take it obi the neko court to say, you see, Amamia Kosia Sewa was the defendant or a plaintiff. Or no kobo kwedu no. Or no obo obi kwedu. Or no wasi obi aye ni bibi. Odobroni is a defendant. If you now we a plaintiff, no, you could not prove yourself. When to me and prove a defendant in any defendant in mama babe prove beyond. Now be catch them say court on still no court on inji wuntum say when are you only surviving power. It can never be possible. That name surviving power is gone. Daddy Lumba, if you na wesi we is legono. E why your double ni matrimonial home. If you na Daddy Lumba toy no dia kosi say what name no. E ho nso ye ono nso ne matrimonial home. Obi anko obi territory. The multimedia no so no more kekejo manum ne yebekwa akotu no. That is a totally completely rubbish. Social media take friend say talk is cheap. And social media what can some police nyina on wache wunti. And the bebre no bi o manum say moa. But when it comes to say mobeko fie ho a, then you guys will see. Sa a friend say if fie bia mu no ye wo kwan afa so ye nanti sumu ene ye wo kwan afa so so nanti han. Inti lady ya da se ya kan wasem na wi bye. Me pa obi wo bibi fofoka.
Assembly na waka no.
Inti BJ audio na me boy no. Audio no. Georgina na ekasa no. Ekosua say wa won the whole Daddy Lumba namfofo na abusuafo ni nyina ehu say ono ekosua say wa namfofo no. Na won pese daddy obi opese obi ehu say ono pe na Lumba na wo first born. Enso no si ase ye hwemu a a friend is saying mama yi onyem yakura nsema me ekosua say wa benyem. Ntokwa na mama ekosua say wa maame. Ene mama ekosua say wa ne mama wa mami ekosua se wase ne namfufuo nyina Lumba ne omu nyina ada sitire wose Lumba won kwala 17 we kura che se mami ne yetrofo sisia no 2018 na wokan no na wodobronia sisia from 2018 besi sa time Daddy Lumba wiye no na wodobronia won kwala 2 se 3 aka ho inti no sa time na 2018 na wokan no na ose Daddy Lumba mbaye 17 inti nke sisia wo hwe 3 koka 17 ho a na che se Lumba won kwala 20 ana se 21 me pacho where is those people nkwala no mo he ade na mami won kan no kresa ade na won kan no kresa DJ bisa say Daddy Lumba ne ma Georgina ne ekosua se wa ba Ghana omkoye interview no ehi na Georgina dae ene ehi nso na mama ekosua se wa dae na ehi na Lumba nso dae because audio ya me boy osi omu ye interview no wie no ene wono ko Charles wo ene Charles bu nani ana mention repeat osi Charles bu nani ka kire ne se na che se no omu nyina na ye together ana mu ye treso muntie
Rosa se wudi nyen tro na miti. Mama na hu nipa na me ye. Bibia me na no frame esi me so ansa na me maka Charles. Na 97 a ye Charles interview. Se wa hono na me kwa me se Charles wo ba. Eti ye ni interview wie ye no na me ko bisa se wa se na Denise na Charles bo ni din no so ni sister o mu ka kire fia. Je ke didi ne bo anwom na fia Grace no ba eti me ne se wa kasa na Charles bi dra me tika chem so oboa Denise woni girl na infantini girl na no tab kana samo kire ono aba na me ni no eti ade tie ene ko fa Denise fi infante ba
Joe wose ehwa na Daddy Lumba begina wo no Georgina na chika kire ne se inti na che so omo 3 ni nyina na wo ho hey no credit ye beka de bia mo pa mo bonfu e audio ni ye de approve de denim
Isa Frida. Sa
yes
audio na akosua Brames. Ka se mami akosua se wa sa Daddy Lumba nema fa mpome motu gwa bonti no was audio no.
me wo
Mpacho ya afuma me.
yeah
Ana so betimi abo ama yem bi ma eche na odi ama me.
okay me bo be fierce mami mbo we na mi nkofa eyini mra
Okay.
Aye, mami ekosua se wa no madam fo na wo ka se Daddy Lumba no wo mpa ekosua se wa koso ne nete wa nsema na omo ka nyina friend say ti Teliza ho nsem kwa na omo ka
Chance girlfriend no. And the man want to be met. I was not interested about it. So that's it. The chance best friend me near country that be say one say.
so wa hu Daddy Lumba ne mami ekosua se wa wo nyina no still na he was still thinking about Teliza Brebrese Tanko for ye di mochi a na yenti kwanya efa so mami ekosua se wa di hia Daddy Lumba mami ekosua se wa no wo yire o kunu a onenete o ye broni ena na o ma Daddy Lumba di no na na otua neka munti o man kasa adamfo isi o mo trete mami no
Samusia akosua se wa break. Lumba shano. Sama na ukanu cocaine no do mo taska no. Akosua se wa sika na nye Lumba sika. Ena muba from abebo ashawo serious will be can was no. Samu ko pa ushawo mema na moji o musika ni sika na ya modia. Enti so Lumba ye obema no so ni wo ashawo ni da na wo maniska. Enye the same work. 70% of the women were high shower for. Me can say, and that's what I'm looking. The music for so much trust. This is in the choir. Into a motor room, I miss one pushing me. Yeah, quantity, which has a more almost need car, only was car. Okay, so Muslim was can number one. One class in 1 year, no friend can see. My problem is